Hi students, welcome you all to this session. Today in our session we are going to deal with exercise 1B. Okay, in previous session we have discussed what is Indian system and international system and its place values. Okay, so based upon that Indian system and international system, we are going to write few problems which is given in exercise 1B. Okay. In last class, we have discussed what is meant by Indian place value chart, which means Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, right? How it comes and what are its place values we have discussed, right? Now we are going to discuss the exercise problem, which means exercise 1B, okay? That we are going to discuss. You can refer page number 11 for that. So page number 11 if you take, there will be questions here. Write the number name using Indian place value chart. Okay, number names means you have to write the number in words. Okay, number name means you have to write the numbers in words using Indian place value chart, which means using Indian system of numeration. So what is your Indian system of numeration? How will you write the Indian system of numeration? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so how you will write? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so here also we are going to do the same thing in this question. So in A question, we are going to write the number name for A question. Okay, so first I will write the place value above this number. That is what we have to do it. So from right side you are going to start ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So how you will write the number names? 3 crore, because here it is 3 crore, 78 lakh, okay, 3 crore, 78 lakh, 76,000, so 76,521. Okay, so here 3 crore, 78 lakh, 76,521. Understood how to write that? Write the A question. Next is your B question. What you have to do? We have to write the place value above this question. So first, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, now I am going to write the number name. Number name means you will write the number in words. Okay, so 28 lakh, right? So 28 lakh, 16,300. Okay, so 28 lakh 16,300. Understood how to write this number names? So first you have to write the place value above the number, then you have to write the number names. Understood? I am going to do C question. Okay, your D, E and F question are your homeworks. Okay, now we have to start from right side. So I am writing place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now I am going to write the number name for this question. So how you write the number name? 99 lakh 99,000 99 because 100 is not there. Okay. So I am going to write here. Listen, here 100 is not there. So I am not writing 100 here. 99 lakh 99,099. Understood? Next is your second problem. Okay. Here we have to write the number name using international system. Okay. What is an international system? You have to first write what is international system. How we are going to segregate the international system. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, 100 billion. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Actually, these three won't be in your textbook, but this is also an international system categorization. Okay, you can learn it. It's an extra point only. Okay, so what we have done in the Indian system, before going to write the number name, you are going to write the place value for this number, right? So how you will write? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, right? After this, what you will write? You will write the numbers in words. So how I am going to write this? 800,000, 800,000, 534. Okay. See, listen. Here 800,000, 534. Okay, understood how I wrote that number name for international system? So here I am going to write the international system. Listen. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, the same thing we are going to write here. Listen. 813. Okay, so 800 13. Okay, so 813,000, 813,300. Okay, listen, 813,300. Okay, this is what your number name for the international system of numeration. Understood? Next is your C question in the second Roman letter. Okay, there also we are going to write the number name using international place value. So what I am going to do, I am going to write the place value above this question, like ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, correct? These are the place values for international system. Now what we have to do? We have to write the number name. So here I am going to write the number name like 6 million 66, because here 100 place is 0, so 66,000, here 655. Okay, so here 6,066,655. Understood? This is your number name for this question. So D, E and F question are your homework question. Okay, understood? Next is your third question. Okay, so here we have to rewrite the sentence using number names instead of numerals. Okay, this is one sentence. You see, 7,07,865 people visited the science exhibition. This is one sentence. Okay, so we have to rewrite the sentence using number name, because this is only number here. This is the only number which is given here. So I am going to rewrite this number to a number name, and we are going to change that sentence. Okay, but by what system? International system. They have given by using international system. Okay, so this is the number in that sentence. I am going to change this number or numeral into number name to change this sentence. Okay, by using what system? International system. So I am going to change this. Listen, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Right, by international system, but commas are given based upon Indian system, but we are going to change based upon the international system. So I am going to write the international system like 707,000, 707,000, 865 people visited the science exhibition. Okay, the science exhibition. Listen 1 minute. See here, first I am going to change this number using number name. Then I am continuing that sentence. Listen, 707,865 people visited the science exhibition. This is how you should rewrite that sentence using number names. Okay, we are going to rewrite that sentence but using number name. I am converting this numeral into number name and I am rewriting that sentence. Understood this first question, A question? This is B question. This also we are going to do the same thing as before. Okay, by using international system. Actually, we are going to change this number or numeral into number name. Okay, first what you will write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Right. This is what your place value. Now I am going to change that numeral into what? Number name. Then I am going to rewrite this sentence. That's all. 800, 90,000, 600. Okay, see here, 890,600 is the population of the town. Is the population of the town. Understood? So first I am going to write 890,600 is the population of the town. Understood this, how to write it? Next is your C question. Okay, so what they have given, a property dealer sold the land for rupees 8,20,000, but we have to write the number name using what system? International system, and we have to rewrite the sentence. That's all. So a property dealer sold the land for, so now I am going to change this number to number names. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Now I wrote the place value, right? Using this place value, I am going to change this number names. For rupees 20,000 okay, so 820,000 rupees, or rupees like this you can write, for 820,000 rupees. Listen, a property dealer sold the land for 820,000 rupees. This is the sentence which we have rewritten from this sentence, where we have changed this numeral into number names. Understood? Your D and E question is your homework. Okay. Next is your fourth question is about the fill-ups. Okay. Fill-ups, for writing this fill-up, you have to refer the tabular column which is given in the page number 10. Okay, listen, in that page number 10, they have given 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. And relation between million and lakh, they all gave in that page number 10. Please go through that page for writing this question. Okay, so actually if you see that question, you can easily write this also. So listen, 100,000 is 1 lakh. Okay, because it is given in that part. It is actually a relation between, I told you already when I am teaching that is very important for learning 1 marks. So 100,000 is 1 lakh. Okay, then 10 lakh is 1 million. Okay, 10 lakh is how many million? 1 million. So if 40 million means how many crores? Actually they have given already 10 million means 1 crore they have given. Okay, in that page number 10 million means 1 crore they have given. So, if it is 40 million, it is 4 crore. Right? Next, 100,000 is 1 lakh means 700,000? 7 lakhs. Okay, and again I will teach you. 100,000 is 1 lakh. Okay? Next, 10 lakh is 1 million. And here 40 million is 4 crore. Why? Because 10 million is 1 crore. So 40 million is 4 crore. Into 4 I am doing. So 4 crore I am getting. Here 100,000 is 1 lakh means 700,000 7 lakh. Understood this fill-ups clearly? In this session, we have discussed a few problems from exercise 1B, and I have given few problems as homework. I hope you all understood these problems. Thank you, children.